Class 1 English workbook. Okay, let's start now. So today we'll do kitty. Okay, write the date 28/5 kitty. Today we'll do kitty. Okay, workbook page number 9. Page number 9. Kitty. Now see. You have done kitty and the textbook. Now we'll do in workbook. Now see. Kitty. Kitty is my pet cat. She is black as coal. Okay. Coal is color is black, you know. She is black as coal. She frolics around. She frolics means play here and there. Play very cheerfully here and there. Frolics means, okay, playing happily. Frolics means here and there. She frolics around and can spy a mouse. Spy means to search something, okay, without letting that person know. Okay, search something without letting that person know. And can spy a mouse. She runs after him and is happy to catch him. And is happy to catch him. This is the poem. Okay, now see. Choose the right word. Kitty is my. Kitty is what? Kitty is my pet. So what will be the answer? Pet. Right here, pet. She is dash as coal. She is black. BLACK. Black as coal. She can spy a mouse. What? SPY. She can spy a mouse. Means search a mouse. She dash after him. She runs after him. See, runs. 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 She is happy. Happy to catch him. She is happy to catch him. Okay, clear? Now next page. This one is a poem also, grasshopper. See, the grasshopper and the elephant. Way down south where bananas grow, a grasshopper stepped on an elephant too. The elephant said with tears in his eyes, pick on somebody, your own size. Now, okay, way down south where banana trees grow, a grasshopper stepped on elephant's toes. He stepped on, grasshopper came on top of elephant toe. The elephant said with tears. Elephant got hurt and he said with tears in his eyes, pick on somebody your own size. Please step on somebody of your own size. Then you will know the pain. Okay, pick means bite on somebody of your own size. Now, many bananas tree grow in the down south. Way down south. To grow in the south. 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 Okay. An elephant is very big. And grasshopper is very small. The color of elephant is grey. The grasshopper color is green. Okay. This one. This one you can see and do running, sleeping, reading, eating, playing, crying. You write by yourself these words. Okay, all ing words. See the picture and write the words. This one you can do. This one. The teacher is teaching. What will be? TEACHING. Teaching. The boy is playing. The birds are flying. The boy is writing. The boy is singing. It is about singing or playing. You write anything. The birds are flying. The boy is writing. Okay, this one you do by yourself. Next, this one, see the words. Many words are given here. Walking, drawing, jumping, dancing, eating, playing, bathing, cooking, cycling. Okay, see these words and you write here. They are singing. Mother is cooking. She is jumping. She is painting. She is walking. He is cycling. He is bathing. He is eating. Okay, you see the words from the box and you write here. Okay, all the things. Okay, now this one, add ing to these words. Add ing. Ring, ringing. RING, ring, ringing. Run, running. RUNNING, running. Swim, swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. Learn, learning. LERNING, learning. Write, writing. WRITING. Dance, dancing. DANCING. This one you write the name: tiger, dog, monkey, cow, cat, pig. Write the name of animals that begins with the given letter. R for rat, K for kangaroo, D for dog, P for pig, monkey, E for elephant, Z for zebra, H for hen, horse, C for cat, F for fox, J for jackal, G for goat. Only animals name you have to write. Okay, here this one you can do. Unscramble. Unscramble. This will be dog. Dog. Means jumble letters. Tiger. 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 Okay. This one elephant, goat, bear, giraffe, horse, monkey. Everything you can do by yourself till this much. Okay. This much you will do by yourself. Clear? This one you will do by yourself. Okay. We have finished. So we have finished our workbook syllabus. Okay. Please do properly and get ready for your exams. Okay. It's very easy now. Okay, for today, this much. Thank you.